So I'm here in Bicester, outside this building, which is currently being developed. It's going to have a new resident here in a few months' time. That resident is OpenMind.
"2019 was a great year for OpenMind. Record sales figures, we grew by nearly 25% by revenue. So last year's sales included a lot of new users as well as existing users buying more licenses. We've also found that we've had a lot of new users last year. We believe the reason people are buying more seats is, first of all, we've got a great product, and secondly, parts are becoming more complex, more lightweight, so the challenges of machining them are becoming tougher every day. Engineers are being challenged every day to make their parts faster, so they're more competitive, and with Hypermill you can achieve that. This year we've got some new products which include Virtual Machine. This is a digital twin which has the characteristics of your machine tool, so it enables to enhance what we do when programming, so the Virtual Machine can make decisions based on the capability of your machine. So this year we're moving premises as a result of our growth in 2019. So this new premises will be 3 times the size, which will enable us to invest in more engineers. We've got more training facilities, so it's a great investment for the future.